Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dipen from Pune. So this is going to be a quick unboxing of the HJG adjustable focal throw fog lamps. I purchased these from Rolling Pistons from Bombay. So Jaisal, being a rider friend, I saw these on his Instagram and I told him I want to get one for myself. So I'll tell you all the prices, details and everything will be put up in the video description, so you can have a look at that. So I've purchased a pair with the wiring harness and switch. So these are two lights, and let me open them. Oh, nice, some stickers. So this is what we see in one of the boxes: some tools, mount options and screws, the plug and play wire. So by the way, this is not my first HJG that I've purchased. I've already purchased one more HJG from him, and if you guys have missed the video on that, I've put those on the EcoSport, so you can have a look at that. Now these, according to Jaisal, are waterproof. So he's also done a waterproof test and a drop test and all. I'll probably take the video from him and append it to this one, so that you guys can have a look. This is, of course, the focal length is adjustable. I'm not sure how to do that. So once I figure that out, I'll show you that. Let me open the second one too. And some more stickers. That's nice. And here's the switch to turn it on and off. Again, a fog lamp in this one too. The quality looks really nice. I'm not sure how to adjust. Probably this is where the adjustment is done, but I'll figure that out. I'll speak to him and figure it out. Quality looks very nice. Quite heavy duty too. Another toolkit set, mount, some screws and one more wiring. So that's what comes in the two boxes for the lights. If you want to see what is on the box and all, let me show you that. So 12 to 80 volts DC, and these are probably 40 watt. Nothing much on the box. And here's the wiring kit that I ordered along with it. So let us see what comes in the wiring harness. So you don't have to worry about doing all the wiring or how the cutout should be and all. This will all be standard. Looks like this is broken. The cutout is broken. And yes, here's the wiring set. So this probably will be going to the battery, the yellow and blue. This blue will be earthing, and these two each will go to the fog lamps. There's a fuse attached to it already, a 30 amp fuse, and this of course is the main cutout. So you can give a switch before the battery or before the fog lamps. So once I do the wiring, I'm not sure which bike I'm going to be installing this on, probably TRK or the Explorer, I'm not sure which one, but once I do that, I'll make a detailed video on that too. So I'll give you a few shots of how the light is in the dark, and also the waterproof testing of this lights. I'll be probably appending that one after this one.
abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad. Y más
guys, so you just watched how the water test worked. Now let's see the actual throw of the lights. Here's my Dominar, it's my Explorer, and here's the throw of the stock headlight. It's not visible actually via this camera. That's the low beam, here's the high beam, and let me turn on my fog lights. These are my fog lights, they are currently positioned down. I need to fix that, but just to give you guys a view of how the lights are going to work. So let me turn on the HJG. So that's how powerful it is, and it's not a proper connection right now, so the throw is not perfect. I mean the throw is not consistent, it might stop in between because my son is holding the wires like this. So this is the throw now when the light is not adjusted. So this is like a circular throw. Let's see it here. Okay, that's the darkness, and here's the light. Now let me adjust the so for how to adjust, you need to pull the light from behind and you can adjust the focus. So I'll show you this again in some time. So this is how the spot will be otherwise. Okay, if you have two such lights, it will be more than enough. Like you can put one on this left side and one on the right side. Let me show it to you here on my car. Okay. I would simply love something like this with a fixed focus, where you can adjust the throw. So let me get back to the original setting. Okay. So this is how they are. So guys, I hope you liked the two parts, the part where I showed how the throw of the light is, and second one where I shared the video of Rolling Pistons. They had put on their Instagrams. I took it from JSL, the owner of Rolling Pistons, and I added to this video for the water test. So I hope you are satisfied with the 2 points, and one point which got missed out from me, which I did not know earlier, was how to change the focus of the light. Now there's no button as such, anything anywhere. You just have to pull this wire. Okay, see, once you pull, this stuff comes out. It's pretty stiff right now, I suppose because it has got rubber sealing inside so that water cannot enter it. Once it is slightly out, you can pull it more, and then with the help of that you can adjust the focus on the road. Okay, I am not sure if you would require this very often. It would be once in a while. So yes, it will be useful that time. And these are 30 watts each, if I missed it earlier, 12 volts, and I bought it with the wiring harness. So what I'll do is I'm going to leave the cost details in the video description. You can get in touch with Jaisal on Rolling Pistons and he'll help you out further. There's going to be a special discount if you share my coupon code with him. It's going to be, the coupon code is going to be DNA Vlogs. So I'll add the final costings, the MRP in the video description, or I'll link it to his original post. I'll share his original post in the video description below, and you can get to know the costs there, and you can place order with them on Instagram. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. If you have any further questions, apart from what I've shown in the video, do let me know. I'll be glad to answer them at the earliest. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for all updates from me. Of course, installation video will come soon. I'm not sure which bike I'm going to install this on. So do stay tuned to my channel. And thanks for watching.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda.